So for today's video, gagawa tayo ng digiperm with my model Dieter. Hi ka naman sis.
Hi guys.
So please follow our page Prime Salon, located here at Mandaluyong near Jollibee and Chowking here. We have also parking lot. Vlogger yarn. Meron pa kaming parking lot dito, guys. Meron din dun sa kabila. So ito po yung machine namin for digital farming. So ang model po namin for today ay gagawa kami ng Korean farm. Yan. With our handsome client. Today is Thursday. Thursday greens. So, buhay ng isang hairstylist. So, ayan guys, I've been working pala in salon industry for 11 years. So, nag-start ako as junior. Okay, this is our services, guys. So, ayan. See that? Oh. Ayan. So, we are doing hair, treatment, balayage, fashion color. Ayan. Ribbon, digital forming, nails, nail extensions, our packages, nail packages, hair extensions, braids, hair service. So, meron din po kami ditong barbero, napakagaling na barbero. Mag-hi ka sis, nagpa-vlog tayo. Wait lang. That's all for today's video, guys. Love you, mwah.